What's up, everybody? Welcome once again to a tutorial here with WeBreak. So today we are doing the 12-step. 12-step is a really awesome move, and it's very familiar to many of you guys if you've done any sports before. So this is technically like doing the karaoke if you ever done soccer or basketball. So it's like a same drill where you're switching your legs back and forth, but on the ground and going in a circle. All right, so we're gonna start once again. Usually with our footwork moves, either we start in zero position or we go into push-up position. So for this one, we are going to start in a push-up position like so. Starting with the first move, we are going to step to the side and always look at the line of your body. Make sure you're straight. Here with a shuffle step. And the next step we do is we're actually gonna bring our hand across from the other one to create a push-up position. Now, the next step is to step over behind our leg, and this is where that karaoke pattern goes, right? You step over behind, and here you come back as you switch your hand, you switch your leg back to push-up position. Inside, even. Outside, even. Inside, even. Outside, even. And then you continue to go in a circle like so. As you move your legs, your hands also move around. And this is all the 12-step. Very important with this move, as you go around and rotate, make sure you shift your hips. If you do not shift your hips, you're gonna look very stiff. It's gonna look like this. You do not want that. You want to turn your hips as you go with this move. So you go here, turn. You go even, straight down, hips. When you go over, your hips shift to the direction of where your leg goes. And you continue in a circle. Okay, so this is the 12-step. This is Coach Combo representing WeBreak. Make sure you practice.